unsteady photography here. We're obviously driving down the road. Going to an undisclosed location where the trailer should be waiting me nice and dry for hopefully an easy, quick load. Then back to drop off the truck, or actually the driver of the truck who's behind me. See that guy there? Have about another half a mile or so to the undisclosed parking location. This business where I parked my trailer was kind enough to plow the lot where I have plenty of room to load. Not all the businesses around here like that. Luckily this one's close enough to the house. The street was just too tight of quarters. They didn't plow it wide enough for 2 full cars, so I was afraid if I loaded it in the street in front of my house that we'd end up with blocking traffic and that, so I didn't want to do that. So I went down the street, which makes it a little bit longer process, but that's all right. All right, as promised, we found a trailer sitting over here in a parking lot. So step one, get the truck hooked up to that bad boy, then get the car on there. There's my son driving my truck. In Tennessee, and what is that, Nashville, 106 miles. Looking at some iced over tree limbs here. Looks like the ice got them pretty good. Luckily the roads are nice and clear though. Shall we play a game of what's in the cooler? All right, so we left Missouri hours ago. And what did we do? We packed some beer and snow for the ride to Florida. The snow is holding up. Ooh, yeah, we can make a nice snowball. We may have a brief snowball fight when we get to Florida. We'll see if it holds up. It's still below freezing, 30-ish degrees. So if this goes well, we will have an opportunity to have a mini snowball fight in Bradenton, Florida. It made it. How about them apples?